Afternoon garage time. So today, we'll look at this Targa seal. It's kind of really worn and beat up. Doesn't really seal that well. I know that when it rained, I got a little water on the floor on the passenger side and these seals had just shot. So you know the neglect this car's had, I'm really not surprised that they haven't been touched. And that's okay because we know it's an original equipment seal. So I'm going to try to take this out as easy as possible without removing any of the interior stuff. Now I've read all kinds of horror stories on how difficult these can be and that you had to get ones for a later car and then kind of trim them down a little bit. But I think that's before the Euro parts were introduced, these aftermarket brand that I'm going to use today. So we'll take it out and glue another one in, see how well it fits. I don't expect any problems. Okay, now we can see what we have underneath there. There wasn't any fasteners or anything like that. It was just kind of glued in there. Looks pretty good. Just clean out the track with a flat X-Acto blade. Stick the new one in. And that's all clean, ready to go. Need to blow it out one more time and then stretch this over here. Put it in the mounting pin holes and then mark a center line on this in the middle. And what I think I'm going to do is start from the center and kind of move out. Doing a little bit at a time, probably maybe 6-8 inches at a time. This is a 3M weather strip adhesive. It's like a contact cement. So you put it on one side, you put it on the other side, you let it dry, and then you put just a real thin amount and then slam it together and it should stick. So what you want to do is take the glue only on the bottom because you want to be able to get your seal down in there and seat it in the bottom. And then maybe you can come back later and do some on the side if you need to do that. But usually this stuff sticks really well to rubber and metal like this. Shouldn't be a problem.
A few moments later. 1 hour later.
Now this seal here, let's see, it's terrible. Look, it's broken right here. So what I did was I put marks on it and then I put corresponding marks on the seal because what happens here is it's considerably smaller and you kind of want to stretch it out as you're putting it in. So what I did was I just kind of put it in and then made some marks to kind of line up where they need to go. Probably maybe just I was going to start it in the middle and kind of work my way out to the edge and kind of just going to do this and kind of get my way. But the problem with that is that you end up with it not stretching evenly. You can see these marks are kind of moving independently of each other, and that's not really a good thing. So, glue it up all at once. That's what I'm going to do.
1 hour later.
These seals, after the adhesive dried, they look pretty good. A lot better than the ones I took off here. Alright, I let it dry for, I don't know, overnight. Finally got the Targa top back on. This Targa top is in real bad shape. This cloth material, it's got kind of a dent in here. Kind of showed that at the first of these series of videos, but I'm gonna have to definitely cover that in order to make it look good. But boy, the seal turned out really good, and I think it's gonna really work well. Next week, we're gonna continue back on the engine. Should be exciting. Thanks for watching.